Do you know that moment when you start a new project and your client provides you with a very detailed and complex brief? You end up being confused, you don't know where to start, or maybe you finish the project but the client is not happy entirely, and the overall experience of yours and your client is gonna be pretty bad. But nowadays with AI you can just use that client brief, bring it inside ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to create a few prompts, and then take these prompts, bring them inside MagicPath, and with MagicPath you can create multiple prototypes at the same time in less than an hour. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna use a client brief and transform it into a working prototype. So let's get started. Okay, so that is the project brief. It's a SaaS analytics dashboard prototype. And as you can see, there are quite a few points here to follow. So let's summarize it very quickly. It starts with a project overview, then objectives, target audience, scope of work, and design requirements, and then tools and platforms, and the last one is success criteria. So what I'm gonna do is copy everything and then go to ChatGPT, and let's think about what we have to ask ChatGPT. So create 4 different prompts based on the project brief I provided below. I'm gonna use these prompts with another AI tool called MagicPath to create the prototypes. And now I'm gonna paste the project brief, press enter, and let's wait for a few seconds, and then let's see what ChatGPT is gonna provide to us. So all right, now I'm gonna use the first prompt, and I'm gonna only copy this right here. Then go to MagicPath, double click on the canvas or click on this green button to create a new component or a new canvas. And now I'm gonna paste the first prompt inside the chat. Also, let me choose a design system. For this one, I'm gonna use Brutalist maybe, and then click on this icon. And at the same time, I'm gonna start a new chat. This is gonna be the prototype number 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy this prompt now, and again let's paste it in here. And now I will choose a different design system. This time I'm gonna use the Twitter one, and let's create a new component again. Let's copy this one, paste it inside, and this time I'm gonna use the material design system. And now let's create the last one, and this time let's copy the last prompt, paste it here, and for the design system I'm gonna use OpenAI. So now let me select everything to align them beautifully to the top. Okay, so now let's wait for a few minutes, and once MagicPath is done, I'm gonna be back. So see you in a bit. Cool, so all the projects have been finished, and now let's take a look at the first one. So this one looks really cool. It has a sign up screen, as you can see. I'm gonna click on this icon to open it in a new tab. And okay, so I'm gonna first have to sign up. So I'm gonna do this, costa@gmail.com, and then a password as well, 12345. Okay, look at this beautiful dashboard here. Okay, so this is a completely working prototype. As you can see, we have a nice Brutalist style. And now let's click on the sales analytics. Everything is animated. So basically, this is the first project you can share with your client. I would say he could be really happy seeing that. And now even this chart is animated here. So yeah, as you can see, everything is finished here. And I love these buttons. Look at this nice style. Yeah, everything has one style, one language, which is super cool. And yeah, you can share this with your client and see the direction of the project. So next, I'm gonna check the second screen. Let's click on it, then click on this icon again. Here I have to sign up as well. So I'm gonna do this, costa@gmail.com, and then a password, 12345, and log in. Okay, nice. This looks a lot like Google, to be honest. It uses actually the Google Material Design, I believe, so that's why. Now let's click on Sales Analytics. Wow, that is very cool UI. Okay, this one is also available. So yeah, guys, as you can see, these two first projects are looking great and are ready for your client. Now let's check out the third one. So I'm gonna click on this icon once again. So everything has animated charts. I don't know how this happened, but it's very cool. And I also like this UI as well. The only thing I don't like is the logo, but you know, you have to upload your own logo, so it doesn't matter that much. Now let's check the customer insights. Yeah, and it is available, and this one as well. So in my previous videos, when I used only one prompt, I used to receive only one screen that was working. The rest of the screens wouldn't work, so I had to ask MagicPath again to create the other screens as well. But this time, all of the screens have been finished. So on all of the prototypes, that is very cool. And I believe it's because of an update that MagicPath did it recently. So yeah, let's go to the last screen. Okay, so this one doesn't look perfect. Maybe we can improve it. So, but let's check out the other screens. Okay, they are still available. The only thing is that the UI is messed up. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong, but let's ask MagicPath to finish this one as well. So I'm gonna click on this icon. I'm gonna ask the UI is all over the place, make sure you fix it, and then click on this icon. Now I'm not sure it's gonna fix it because I wasn't too specific about this, but let's see. So yeah, let's wait and see you in a bit. Okay, so the first prompt didn't help. It was, I guess, too generic. So I have a different one. This time I said some of the UI cards are not fitting the text, and therefore some of the text is overlapping outside the UI cards. So I'm gonna click on this icon again. But until this one is gonna be fixed, I would like actually to add a sign up screen for this prototype right here. So for this, I'm gonna use the libraries. As you can see, it is a new feature that MagicPath has. So I'm gonna select the marketing and landing pages library and look up for a sign up. Okay, so we have one right here. Let me drag it inside. Let me drag it below, and I'm gonna select this one, then click on the Ask MagicPath. And I'm gonna say, please add this sign up screen to this sign up screen. And I'm gonna mention the screen by typing at and then modern landing pages. And then let's press enter. So I guess this is it. Okay, so this one wasn't fixed, but it doesn't matter because I still have 3 other prototypes. So I'm gonna press delete. And let's wait for this one. All right, so as you can see, we have something which is similar. It's actually the same thing. The only difference is that this one right here is a small screen. So if I'm gonna make it larger, yeah, now it's exactly the same. So let me click it on this icon. And yeah, now I can sign up. So I'm using Costa and then costa@gmail.com. And I will click on this button. Okay, so it's an animation that says creating account. And now if I scroll down, I have this screen right here. So yeah, guys, it is how easy it is to go from a project brief to a working prototype inside MagicPath. Now, if you want to check out MagicPath, you will get 5 credits for free every single day. So yeah, you can create like 5 different prototypes every single day for free. And thank you so much for watching this video. I see you next time.